Hey everyone, thank you for coming back to my channel, Ruth Getting Things Done. This will be a brief tutorial on how I wash my DIY microlocks. This method works for me because I've tried it 2 times already. This will be my 3rd time washing my hair, and I will be locking my hair tomorrow. Okay, let's get started. First thing I do to wash my hair, I'm going to braid and band it. So I will braid the hair and I will put rubber bands on the end so it doesn't unravel. I had to get some extra lighting, so now let's get started. I am loosely braiding, loosely. I want to be able to go in there as I'm washing my hair. As I'm scrubbing my scalp, I want to be able to go in there. I hope you guys can see this because this light right here is not helping at all. I had to bring out my bigger light because it was so dark, but I hope you guys can see this. I didn't follow any braiding pattern. I just braid my hair loosely because I want to be able to go in there and scrub. I didn't follow any grid pattern. I just grab a few locks and then braid together, braid as loosely as I can, and that's it. So now I am going to wash the hair. This is what I'm using to wash. I'm going to use a spray bottle. I'm just going to put some of this shampoo here, Daily Clarifying Deep Cleansing Shampoo. Pour some in there and then put some water in there and spray my hair with it. And you can find this anywhere. I bought this one at Walmart for like $1.98 or $1.97. I'm just pouring some water in here. I just pour some water. Now I am going to just pour some shampoo in this. I didn't measure anything. I just pour it in there. Just gonna add a towel around my neck. And now just start spraying. I like to let it sit. You could put like a conditioner cap if you want, but I don't. I like to let it sit where it dissolves, and then I just get in the shower and rinse it off. But if you're concerned about the smell, you can do it like 2 or 3 times. Because sometimes, you know, there'll be like a strong smell, especially if you haven't washed your hair in a while. But this is my 3rd time washing my hair in 6 weeks since I've locked my hair. Yes, it's been exactly 6 weeks today. Today's the 13th. Or is it the 14th? Today's the 14th. I've locked my hair since May 1st, 2021, and today's June 14th. So that's exactly like 6 weeks later. And I'm going to retie my hair myself. tomorrow. And depending on tomorrow, I will see if I might consult a loctician, because I don't know if I can stay all day on my hair like that in the future. I might just retire tomorrow myself just to see how it is, and then I might just go ahead and pay the loctician their money to retie my hair every 6 weeks. This is how I wash my hair. Alrighty. My eyes look red. Probably because when I was rinsing out my hair, the shampoo went into my eyes. Maybe that's why it looks red. But yes, I just finished washing my hair. Now I am drying it with this towel. This is a microfiber towel. To minimize lint build up on your hair, it's best to use a microfiber towel and not the, like the lint filled towels. Since I have to go somewhere, I'm gonna unbraid these right now, because normally I would sleep with this, and in the morning when I would go to work in the morning, I would just unbraid it and it'll be nice, curly, and just cute. And all I do is just put some little bows here and I'm done. But since I'm on my way out, I have to go somewhere today, so I can't leave this here. So I'm going to go ahead and separate the locks too, to minimize the locking together. I think that's what you call it. I don't know. Once I find out what it is, I'm just gonna put in subtitles. Okay, I'm going to use my oil. Lightly oil my scalp. Guess it won't be curly this week. That's fine. I'm gonna lock it tomorrow. Not lock. I keep saying lock. I'm going to retie it tomorrow. So that's fine. Today I won't have time to retie it. I'll do it tomorrow. So I am done washing my hair. Sooner or later it's gonna shrink, because the shrinkage is real. The shrinkage is real. It's gonna shrink. That's fine. It won't be as curly as I would like, because I didn't give it a chance to dry, while it was still braided, because that's what I normally do. The last 2 times I washed my hair, I let it dry with the braids. So when I unbraided it, after it was completely dry, everything was like super curly and really cute. Well, I still like this look anyways. But like I said, I am on my way out the door. Looks like I'm gonna be late. So just for this video, I'm gonna be late. But hopefully they will still accept me, because it's an appointment. So let me hurry and go, because color people time is real. Oh. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.